Hello, my name is Richard Robinson, and this is my fourth semester at Franklin University. I am in the DPS program in Instructional Technology Leadership. Finally, the following is my PowerPoint presentation concerning the details of my KMS project. On the screen is the background information for the company used in the project. This is a hypothetical company called the ABC Company, and it is a manufacturing firm that makes dress shoes for men and women. Further, the company is located in the city of Columbus, Ohio, and employs around 500 people during peak periods at the facility. In addition, the top management consists of the owner and one senior manager. Finally, the middle managers at the company total 10 employees, and these are the employees that will be interviewed by the KM team at the outset of the project. During the hypothetical performance analysis of the organization, a gap was identified. This gap was that the company has experienced a 28% drop in sales during the previous year. Also, the leadership found that over the past year, employees have made 35% more mistakes in the manufacturing process when compared to the previous year. Because of these mistakes, the leaders concluded that the company needed a database that housed information related to the organization that the employees could interact with. During the KM process, the organizational knowledge will be captured by interviewing the 10 middle managers. The KM team will collect the tacit knowledge that the managers have remembered. This knowledge will be codified and placed in the database under the heading Operational Knowledge Tips. The operational knowledge will be shared through the use of the database. The database will be available to the employees during regular work hours. The application of the organization knowledge will be achieved by the employees interacting with the KMS on a weekly basis. The KMS that will be installed on the ABC intranet is considered a knowledge sharing and dissemination technology. The tools and technologies that will be used in the creation of my KMS consist of the following. A database. The database is the knowledge repository where all information is stored. Intranet. This is how the manager will access the database. A desktop computer. This is the office equipment used to access the database. Furthermore, the other following is a continuation of the tools and technologies. An app will be created to access the database when managers are away from their desks. Their smartphone, the managers can use their company-issued smartphone to access the KM app attached to the database and post comments or suggestions. Email Instant Messenger. These options will be included with access to the database. According to KMT 2018, the following are the components of the Integrative Knowledge Management Model: the identification of needs of the organization, the identification of knowledge resources, the acquisition, creation, or elimination of knowledge related to resources, processes, and environments, the retrieval, application, and the sharing of knowledge, and of course, the storing of knowledge. The organizational metrics that will be analyzed include the following. 1. The overall number of hours that the employees clocked into the KMS in the first 6 months. 2. The number of postings for each employee during that time. 3. The amount of company sales recorded 6 months after the KMS implementation. These results will be used to determine the effectiveness of the system. Also, the data will be collected by recording the employee usage of the KMS, i.e. accessing the system, posting information, and perusing the data, and the analyzation of company records to determine the increase or decrease in sales. The data will be collected by accessing the KM database's usage statistics on a weekly basis and then recording the following metrics. 1. The number of times the employee accessed the database. 2. The number of original postings the employee completed. And 3. the amount of time the employee spent on the system. Finally, the following pages list the references used in the final presentation paper. Thank you for viewing my presentation and have a good day.